פחות רגל אחת עד הקו. אג'יבה! Building your own martial art usable tools, and today we're building a simple sumo ring. Hi to you all. Today we're going to talk about something special. We're going to talk about how to build your own sumo ring. Well, it's not going to be that big sumo ring you're used to building in what you see in arenas, in real sumo competitions, but it's going to be your own sumo ring. And why do you need such a sumo ring? Why do you need a sumo ring? Now, I'm teaching karate. Why do I need a sumo ring? First of all, you need to learn how to take down somebody and take down defense. It's really important how to prevent somebody from taking you down. So if you have a sumo ring and you're doing some sumo competitions, you can learn that. You should be able to be to handle an aggressive push. Somebody pushes you really aggressive. How do you handle it? So that's why you need sumo. Self-defense, most self-defense situations start with a push and a punch. Somebody pushes you, punches you. You know, that happens really fast. I grew up in a very difficult, tough neighborhood, and some people used to push and punch. And it was like pushing, punching. And when you lose your balance, somebody punches you, you can't really defend, you can't really put your legs right not to fall down. So if you're used to it and you get used to it, you get better. It was originally in Okinawa. There was some kind of sumo. I'll leave that to you to research the internet. It's good to have some kind of grappling background. We do grappling in Randori, but when you hit somebody and you're not focusing on your grappling, it's a total different fight. When you do grappling alone, striking alone, then sometimes when you get to a higher level, you try to combine, that gets better. And you can set your own rules in your sumo. Okay, if you don't want people to touch their face because you think it's too risky, don't let people touch the face. Okay, you set the rules that will benefit the dojo and everybody. And there's another great thing you can do. You can let another teacher from another dojo come in and help you do the teaching, like somebody who teaches judo, or somebody who teaches sansho, or some kind of grappling method that is connected to grappling, throwing, hitting. Okay, let's go to the business. How do you build a sumo ring? How do you build a sumo ring? You'll be needing a perforation pipe. I hope I said it right. It's a pipe, something like this. This is a perforation pipe. Okay, it's about 5 centimeters. It's about something like a 2-inch pipe. Okay, you'll need a connector so you can connect the pipe in both ends. Okay, here it's connected and it's a big circle. You need a tent peg. You can use tent peg. Okay, like this, tent pegs. I don't have the focus on it, but you see these are tent pegs. And you can use also sticks as pegs, okay, as wedge, what we call it. Should have scissors so you can cut the strings. Okay, there's strings attached to the pegs to fix it in the ground. And you didn't need a rack or a trowel to fix the ground. If you're doing it on sand, you don't want to have stones or things that will disrupt people from using it. And you need a good ground for it. Why do you need a good ground? Because you don't want people falling on rocks or on floor. So you need something like sand. Sand at the beach is great. That's what we did. You can do also on grass. And you have the surface should be straight, so it will be an equal competition. Another thing I want to tell you: if you build a very big ring, because sumo it's like or you push or you drop. If the ring is very big, most likely people are going to try to drop the other person inside the ring. If the ring is really small, because I said you set the rules, if the ring is really small, people most likely are going to try to push them out. So I would suggest this way: if your students know how to fall, they fall really good, and they know how to handle falling, like they have really good background in rolling and falling, make it a big ring. If you think your students, it's not the stage, make it a small ring, teach them how to fall, improve them, but make it a small ring and they'll push each other out, less chances of injury. So you have to decide what you do. This is how you build it. The bigger in diameter again, the bigger in diameter it is, most likely people are gonna drop each other inside the ring. The smaller in diameter the ring is, people are going to take each other out. So that is it. This is how you do it. Any questions, you can put it down below. I'm going to show you a video of my young students using it, and it was great for us. Hope the video is good and will help you. Watch my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and promote these ideas if you can. I think it helps the martial arts community. Thank you very much. My name is Eli Elfassy and I teach martial arts. Thank you very much. מוכנים? חג'יבה, קדימה! לא, תהיה מוכנים עליי. חג'יבה, קדימה! אוקיי, אילי איתך! חג'יבה! גדול, וגם בשביל תודה. ג'יבה! אבל לא היה שם צער. קדימה. בוא ניקח את הרמאי. מה רמאי? אתה תופס ככה. יאיר ניצח.